How to switch from Amazon Business to personal account. Welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this video. For this, launch a preferred browser in your PC or your mobile device. In here, you need to search for Amazon.com. Once you are in here, make sure that you are logged into your Amazon account. To switch from your Amazon Business to personal, you need to tap on your username, that is account and list. Here you will see your business account option. You need to tap on it. When you switch from your business to personal account, you will see the option begin account conversion as well. You need to tap on it. Now instead of convert to a business account, you will have the option of convert to a personal account. Just select on it. All you have to do is enter your password and tap on sign in. Just like that, your account will be switched from your business to a personal account. In the case of forgotten credential, you can easily select forgot your password. Then follow the instructions provided to you. Which brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.